Neighbor's last gift. He was just a quiet neighbor. Until a garage sale sign changed everything. Doug, a Navy veteran, lived alone with his two sick dogs, struggling to survive after a reverse mortgage had drained his finances. Most buyers saw only a quick flip, but Doug didn't want more money. He longed to return to Yosemite, where gold panning with his grandmother had been his only taste of peace. I made it my mission to help Doug sell his home with dignity. We found a buyer who respected his journey, packed up his memories, and I personally drove him and his dogs to a humble mobile home near Yosemite, a place that felt like home to him once again. 2 years later, Doug quietly passed away. The real shock came soon after. He had left the mobile home to me, no strings attached, just a simple act of trust. I didn't cry because I got a house. I cried because Doug saw me. This was never just about real estate. It was about dignity, redemption, and walking someone home. Read Chapter 1 of From Broke to Broker to know the full story. Buy the book at varunishnanda.com or click the link in bio.